everyone, in this video I'll show you how to embed your Messenger AI bot on your website using Google Tag Manager. So I'm on my LiveChatAI account right now. I'm on one of my AI bots. Navigate to embed and share, and then you will see add as messenger, and then I will just copy the code snippet to the clipboard. Then I'm going to Google Tag Manager. From here, continue with add a new tag. And then you can name your tag. I will just use the initials of LiveChatAI. And then click on tag configuration, scroll down to custom HTML, and then paste your code, and don't forget to check support document.write. And then you can add a trigger. I want to add all pages. If you want, you can just target specific pages, and then click add and save it. Okay, after that we will continue with submit and then publish. If you want, you can add a name and description to this action. I will just skip. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to my website. Okay, I refreshed my website, and here is our AI bot messenger. So make sure you have installed Google Tag Manager to your website. If you don't know how to do it, just go to the admin and then click install Google Tag Manager, and you will see the instructions right here. And that's it from me. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us, and I'll see you next time.